Hi guys, Adam at Leighton Vans. So as we speak, we've got a container just being backed into our yard, which is full of a restock of our LV-1 alloy wheels. Now, if you've been thinking about getting some of the LV-1 wheels, stick around because we've got a little special offer for you at the end of the video. So we've just finished unloading the container. All the wheels are stored in our unit ready to be sent out. Now what we're going to do, because we've had a restock of the gloss black, the matte bronze and the matte grey and polished, we're actually going to do a 20% discount on the wheels that we've just restocked. So that's wheels on their own. If you have a wheel and tyre package, you'll get a 20% discount on the wheels. So that'll make that a lot cheaper as well. Now, obviously we're all at home. Vans are just sat on the drive, we can't go anywhere, so if anyone's fancying swapping the wheels over, we can get a set sent out with a full fitting kit, tyres balanced up, ready for you to just pop on your van. So if you're interested and you want some pricing, give us a shout, drop us an email to info@leightonvans.co.uk or give the office a call and we can sort you out.